Today we're turning a simple pork shoulder steak into something special. Sticky, juicy, and glazed with that perfect mix of sweet and savory. This Honey-Soy glaze gives you restaurant quality flavor right here at home. Let's create. We will start by seasoning the pork. Nothing fancy. Just a pinch of salt. Not a lot, just a pinch. A little bit of black pepper. And I say a touch of smoked paprika. You're going to do this in both sides. And the thing is, you want to highlight the meat. You don't want to hide it, you just want to highlight it, okay? So rub it and do the same on the other side. Let it sit for about 15 or 20 minutes, okay? Room temperature. In a bowl, combine the soy sauce. You saw the list of ingredients already. I'm going to add apple cider vinegar. You can use also rice vinegar, but apple cider. Also going to add the minced garlic. Going to add some of my ginger. I'm going with the powder, you can just grate it. And I'm going to add some honey. Look at this honey. And optionally, I'm going to add some sesame oil. Now you're going to stir until it's smooth. And that's going to be your sweet, tangy, umami glaze. And this glaze will do all the magic when it hits the pan, okay? So stir this baby. So add a bit of oil, and I'm going with avocado oil this time around, and sear the pork, okay? Sear the pork shoulder. And you're going to do this on medium-high heat in about 3 to 4 minutes per side. What you want here is that golden crust and some caramelization, okay? That right there is flavor. The fats rendering, the surface browning. This is your base for the glaze to cling on, okay? Now you're going to pour in the glaze. And it will start bubbling and thicken it right away. That's the honey caramelizing, by the way. See the bubbling and the thickening? And what you're going to do now, you're going to keep spooning. And you're going to spoon the sauce over the top. It's going to coat the pork, turn glossy, and stick to every edge. Look at this beauty, huh? So you want to make sure that the glaze looks thick and shiny. And when it looks thick and shiny, this is when you are done, okay? But you don't want to over reduce it. You still want it to flow when you plate this baby. See how it looks? This baby is ready, okay? Let me get it out here. So serve it hot with steamed rice, noodles, or even a cream salad along with the rice. So a little glaze on the top, just a little glaze. And then you can sprinkle some green onions and also some sesame seeds. It's up to you. So it's juicy, tender, sweet, salty, perfectly cooked, everything balanced perfectly.